Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to the academic session of 2020-21. Hope you all are doing well. Today is our second lecture of Science for Grade 4. Hope you all have understood the previous lecture. A short review about what is matter and mass. What is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. And what is mass? Mass is the amount of matter in an object. Today's topic is what are the states of matter? Kindly refer to page number 11. There are three states of matter: solid, gas, liquid. First, we will start with the explanation of properties of solid. Look at figure 1.1. Does a solid have a definite shape? Here, the solid is referred to the marble in different containers. Means, does this marble change its shape when placed in different containers? The answer is no. The marble does not change its shape when it is placed in different containers because it is in a solid form. Liquid flows, but solid cannot flow to take the shape of its container, as marble remains the same. The second important point is to change the shape of a solid we have to use a force. Which force we have to use? Such as hitting or squashing. Now, the second property of solid is, does a solid have a definite volume? We have two examples refer to this. Look at figure 1.2. You can see images of bricks. I suppose everyone know what brick is. Try pressing a brick. Does it become smaller or occupy less space? The answer to this is no. The brick does not occupy less space when we press it because it is a solid. Its volume does not change. So, on the other hand, we refer to figure 1.3. See the image of a sponge. A sponge is also a solid, but it can be compressed. Why is it so? A sponge contains a lot of air. When we compress it, the air is squeezed out. For more further examples, you can refer to book page number 12. Now we will come to the explanation of second state of matter, that is properties of liquid. Look at figure 1.4. Look at the figure 1.4. You can see colored water in these containers. Does the water takes the shape of its container? Does the water have a definite shape? The answer related to this is when we pour water into different containers, it flows to take the shape of its container. A liquid has no definite shape. It can be flow. But in the previous slide we can see that we saw brick, the image of a brick. As it is solid, it has a definite shape, but it cannot flow because it was not liquid. Now in this slide we will learn about, does a liquid have a definite volume? Look at figure 1.5. If we pour 250 ml, means the exact amount of water in different containers, does the volume of water remains the same? Yes, the volume of the liquid remains the same even though it is poured into different containers. As liquid has a definite volume, it cannot be compressed. For more further information, relate to page number 14 and 15. Now we will come to the explanation of our third state of matter, that is gases. Properties of gases. For this you have to refer to figure 1.6. Look at the shapes of different balloons. There are so many different shapes of balloon. The gas flows to take the shape of each balloon. The gas has no definite shape. It does not have the definite shape. It is related to the shape of the balloons. it can flow. Now in this slide we will learn, does a gas have a definite volume? Look at the figure 1.7. A gas does not have a definite volume, but it can be pressed and also it can be spread out. Going further with this explanation, here is a simple diagram to show the particle model of solids, liquids and gases. Look at the diagram carefully. In this diagram you can see how the particles in solid, liquids and gases are different in the ways they move and how they are arranged. Now see the first image of particle model of solid. The particles are close together in fixed position. They move to and fro in their fixed position. The second is particle in a liquid. They are close together but they do not have a fixed position. They can move around each other. Then the third image is the particle in a gas. The particles are far apart and do not have fixed position. They are too far, they can move quickly in all the directions. Hope you all have understood the diagram of how the particles of solid, liquids and gases are arranged. What you have learned today is solids, liquid and gas are three states of matter, and this table given below compares the properties of solids, liquids and gases. The properties are, does it have a definite shape? No, you don't have definite shape in liquid and gas, but we have definite shape in solid. Can it flow? The answer to related to this is, in liquid and gases it can flow, but the answer is no in solid. Does it have a definite volume? Yes, it has a definite volume in solid and liquid, but it doesn't have a definite volume in gas. The last is, can it be compressed? The answer related to this is, only in gas it can be compressed, but in solid and in liquid it cannot be compressed. So with this we have completed our second lecture. Now in the last session of chapter 1 we will learn about, can matter change in state? Hope you enjoy learning. Have a great day. Thank you.